Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x to the power 4 is equal to x minus 1 to the power 4. Okay. Questions have given x to the power 4 is equal to x minus 1 to the power 4, or we can write here x square whole square is equal to x minus 1 whole square all square. Or now taking this number to left side, we can write here x square whole square minus x minus 1 whole square all square is equal to 0. Now we know an algebraic equation a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Now apply this formula here. We can write x square minus x minus 1 whole square times x square plus x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Or now we can write here x square minus x minus 1 whole square times x square plus, here we can use another algebraic equation, so we can write here x square minus twice x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then from here we have two solutions, so we can write here x square minus x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0, and x square plus x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or here we can use this formula, so we can write here x plus x minus 1 times x minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Or x plus x is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here this is rejected. Now here we can write 2x is equal to, taking this negative 1 to right side, we will get positive 1. Now divided both sides by 2, we will get the value of x is equal to half, and this is a real solution. Or now here x square plus x square is 2x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a nice quadratic equation, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 2, and c is equal to 1. Okay. Or x is equal to minus b is equal to minus 2, so we can write here minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square minus 4 times a is 2 times c is 1 over 2 times 2. Or x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 8 over 4 is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of negative 4 over 4. Or x is equal to 2 plus or minus, here we will get square root of 4 times square root of negative 1 over 4 is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i over 4. Or x is equal to, taking common 2, here we will get 1 plus or minus I over 2 times 2. So finally the value of x1 is equal to half plus half I, and x2 is equal to half minus half times I. So there are total three values of x. X is equal to half, x1 is equal to half plus half times I, and x3 is equal to half minus half times I. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.